Life in Manipur hit by 12-hour general strike called by Maoist Communist Party Manipur against Sanjeet Ravina fake encounter case. BJP Manipur Pradesh criticizes annual budget 2016-17, terms it as anti-growth. People of Andhra destroy poppy plants cultivated in 12 hectares in the Baruni Hills. And Manipuri pony continues to face serious threats despite government's efforts to save it. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Laithangma Monica with the top stories. The 12-hour general strike called by Maoist Communist Party Manipur against the silence maintained by the authority and the people of the state in the Sanjeet and Ravina fake encounter case has largely affected life in the state today. Inter-district and other passengers' vehicles remained off the road except for some private vehicles. Markets and business establishments also remained closed. Most roads in the Imphal city wore a deserted look as passengers' vehicles did not ply on the road as usual. The general strike, which began from 5 in the morning and lasted till 5 p.m. and Maoist Communist Party Manipur in a press release earlier has claimed that the general strike is a protest against the fake encounter. Media persons, religious functions and essential services were exempt from the strike. State Cabinet on Saturday approved the abolition of 501 posts in the Commerce and Industries Department as part of the restructuring of the department. The Cabinet meeting was held from 3 in the afternoon yesterday with Chief Minister Okram Ibobising in the chair at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Government spokesperson, Education and Consumers Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Moirangtemo Kendro said 501 unnecessary posts out of the 1,090 sanctioned posts in the Commerce and Industries Department will be abolished with the retirement of the employees who are holding the post. The posts include 55 Class 1 posts, 80 Class 2 posts, 278 Class 3 posts and 88 Class 4 posts. The Cabinet also approved the draft Manipur Micro and Small Enterprises Facilitation Council Rules 2015 aimed at availing assistance to micro and small-scale industries. Minister Okendro said parking areas for passenger vehicles opposite Johnstone Higher Secondary School and Imphal Municipal Council along the National Highway will be shifted to areas opposite DM College and Kekrupat. The Cabinet also approved to fill up the 83 posts lying vacant in the State Transport Department. Bharatiya Janata Party today criticized the annual budget 2016-17 presented in the Assembly by the Chief Minister on February 19 as anti-growth. Speaking at a press meet held at its office at Nitai Patutek, General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh M. Ashni Kumar slammed Okram Ibobising-led Congress government, who has been in power for the last 14 years, is backtracking in every aspect and termed this as hopeless and anti-people. He alleged that there is no change in the education sector, agriculture-allied activity, forest, unemployment and healthcare in the annual budget. Ashni Kumar also maintained that Chief Minister's assurance of implementing National Food Security Act in the state is nothing new and there is no hope of implementing it in the state. He said the government, which has no policy and vision, is like government without governance. Ashni Kumar added that it is now time to reach an understanding among the people to change the government.
Shri Joy Kishan, amadi Shri Beshojan is a high crime, media ki thongda. Government is the pipe yauriba. Powerful people have that power. Krahana paiba kangu mi kharag yam selected of me mari mangaki magi local area do da. Bashayamna thada bagi reflect over yamna banditip oiba. Laiba ki khandaba, state ki khandaba. Amasu budget is the mamita hale. Asing government say the Shan Harag must anti people or have the Hamamatoi, other Manipur Prazasu, Masi Gyantaba, Mathuk Tare.
Mori police have discovered 87 bombs believed to be of Second World War. The bombs were found when a JCB was removing earth for construction of 132 by 33 kV substation in Mori Ward number 9 and Chano village. A team of police bomb experts removed the bombs and they removed 10 bombs last night and remaining bombs were removed today. The people of Andhra today refuted the claim made by Narcotics and Affairs of Border through print and electronic media that illegal poppy plants in the Nomaiching Hill range were destroyed. The people, along with media persons during a visit in the area, came across plantation of poppy on about 20 hectares of hill slope by felling trees. They destroyed the plants in front of the media persons. Villagers also stated that green vegetation is still intact on Andhra side of Nomaiching Hill. However, this deforestation is carried out unchecked on the Kalong side of the Nomaiching Hills, affecting the ecological balance. Mention may be made that a statement issued by PRO Police Department claimed that a joint team of Narcotics and Affairs and Borders Police Station, Imphal East, 6 Manipur Rifles and personnel of Forest Department had destroyed poppy plants spread in about 15 hectares in the surrounding areas of Nomaiching Hill Range on February 11.
Andhra की साइड ते अखोई तसेना का मणिपुर की एनवायरनमेंट कहीं दम ने है ना वाई योखली मणिपुर की सरकार ना अंध्रो की खैतंग ना थैरगा लेबा जगह असिदा पॉपी प्लांटेशन तौबा अदु कानी थाबा असिगुंबा एरिया असिदा अंध्रो की ओइना सुपाम पामदे असिगुंबा निसासी अखोई सुपाम पामदे है मीडिया ममांगदा उतखरगसु हजि की ओइनदि करेमता अहोंग लेरमदे हजि असि लेरिसि फिबमजिनि मयाम उबिरिसिनि अंध्रो खुंजाजिं हुक्तना अखोई मा पोबी बानबिसिं मा हंदान बाइजे अखोई की अंध्रो की माइकेदि अखोइना
Andhra MLA Thaunawjam Syam Kumar stated that the sacred place of Nompok Ningthau on Baruni Hills will be converted into a tourist spot and rechristened as Manipur View. The MLA today cleaned the sacred place, and speaking to media, MLA Syam Kumar says the wilderness of the area will be developed into a beautiful garden to attract tourists, which will also benefit the villagers of Andhra economically. He also added that he will try to start passenger service between Imphal Kalong and Andhra Kalong from April this year.
Puariga Sagonaraba, Chumapa Masida, Umang Kokoga, Koisida, Maya Kaba, Nisa Poppy Plan, Koi Taramba, Koi Manipugomengi, for the Paminazo, Haidala have to Hayataba, Kanama Mimatana, Andro, Kendrakiskumba, Nomajin Sing, Sigila Ibazagashda, Uyatapayaroy. Adu poppy plant to Tabayaroy, Tario poppy plant Yamazo, Andro Kuzamiamna, Amata Chitana, Hide Laganeduga, Lamhendana, Kanamba, Mishingna, Costa Maya Cabin is Hat Hagalaba, Poy plant Tagalaba, Uyantalaba, Modugi, Andro Gioba Kungi, until Paling at the Dumba, Kogi, Serak, Lushangley, Adu Serak Lushang the Swing the Pangani.
Andhra village chief Gandhar Maitai said around 200 villagers along with him under the supervision of MLA TH Syam Kumar began the development of Nompok Ningthau area and also appealed to the government to extend possible help.
Foreign tourism am oibe ananaba koi honorable MLA na yauna thawai yauna pukhat pirakpodagi mafam asi koi hujik sem saba hauragani haina koi honorable MLA na thajab pibadagi ngasi khunja praja punamakna mafam asida aikoi khunja mi cham chaniramna ngasi khoi thabuk sing asi suri aduna yaragadi manipur sarkar gi maigai dagi su aikoi masi khara pukning singsin biragadi atuki matik phajaba sport am oigani habasi aina khullamagi mapi mapa amoina khullamagi khulakpa moina thajaba thamjari.
From the academic session 2016-17, students reading in class 11 and 12 can learn in the Manipuri medium. Director of Department of Language Planning and Implementation K.H. Raghumani today spoke about the government's efforts to promote Manipuri language at the observance of International Mother Language Day at Heli English School at Soibam Lekai. The school authority observed the day under the aegis of Department of Language Planning and Implementation, Manipur. An open essay competition for students up to class 12 and a debate competition was also held at Imalon Nathawaini on the occasion.
Mother language saputaba yadi habaji wakalon da koina Manipuri language da koi class 11 amadi 12 ki direction tamiba like me amsi Manipuri language da koi puthong na honari 2016-17 ke academic session maybe July 16 faida koi puthokani habagi almost koi preparation kan tawjari education ta sena subject khang bai je mother tongue or mother language to the magadi khajana khamba ngame pochi very fastly.
Sahitya Thaupanglu also observed the International Mother Language Day on the theme Quality Education, Language of Instruction and Learning Outcomes. The observance was held at Dave Literature Center on DM College campus. Sui Generis Mother Language Award was presented to Chanam Hemchandra. Poems written in various languages spoken in Manipur were also read out at the event. It may be mentioned that UNESCO declared February 21 as International Mother Language Day on November 17, 1999. Chanam Hemchandra said the students have to play a significant role in the promotion of mother language in the world.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯐꯪꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯅꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯎꯟꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯆꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯦꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ
The 17th UNESCO International Mother Language Day was also observed by Tribal and Endangered Languages Promotion Board, UNESCO Club Manipur as Manipur Press Club. Professor R. Subha Krishna Memorial Journalist Award 2016-17 was awarded to Impact News camera person Pukrambam Bobo and ISTV reporter Mainam Surendro at the event. Founder member of National Research Center S. Bubon said the Manipuri language, which is the language of the state, need to be promoted. He also drew the attention of the department's concern to promote the various languages spoken by different communities as associate language. Laisemba Sanajawba today terms the venomous speeches made by Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Ziliang and Mizoram Chief Minister Lalthan Halwa during the Liungaini festival held at Ukhrul as very cheap and irresponsible. Laisemba Sanajawba also appealed to all to prevent entry of these two leaders in the state next time. Speaking at the inauguration of a 4-day youth exchange program organized by Manipur Peace and Integrity MAPI Council at the complex of Manipur Adventure and Allied Sports Institute at Kairao Bidra, Laisemba Sanajawba said the program organized with an aim to foster harmony and tranquility which strengthen the bond among the various communities living in the state. He also added that in the future of the state is in the hands of the youth and appealed to the youth of both the hills and valley to work together for a better society. Around 70 youths coming from 9 districts are taking part in the 4-day program.
Nagaland Chief Minister na aduga Mizoram Chief Minister na mafamsida sobat thawram ama yawalaga lemna lakpiraga lemna fazana hangadabada wakai suramaga hangirasa masi nuaite adu mi leibakta mi sinana leiba ma se misunderstanding oinaba silamba sigumba yamna handaba thaki akogi wangang leiba makokni haibada yamna akogi ikai ningai ni handaba thaki mi singi ko leibakta masi matung manau ai changhan loisi youth mayam se akoi punjalaga anuba yamna bright oiba future ama semnabagi dangta akoi hojiti akoi punjalasi.
Lieutenant General Pravin Bakshi, General Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Eastern Command, arrived in Imphal yesterday on a 2-day visit. The general, during his visit to Senapati, Ukhrul, Bishnupur, Moray, Kakching and Churichandpur interacted with the troops and emphasized the need to maintain cordial relationship with the people. The army commander also witnessed a traditional game of Manipur polo, Sagol Kangjay, at Mapal Kangjaybu. Fencers of Khongman Students Club Fencing Institute were felicitated today at a function organized by Fencers Welfare Parents Association. Thongju MLA TH Biswajit also took part in the event held at the House of Fencing Coach S. Ranjit at Khongman Zone 4. About 50 fencers who have participated in the state, national and international tournaments were felicitated. They were also encouraged at the function. Speaking at the event, MLA Biswajit said he would construct an indoor hall with a gym for Khongman Students Club Fencing Institute from its MLA Local Area Development Fund.
Players international national players increased on the hargadi koi samna hargana khumala pakta sanaba ngamjadaba na thapa koi jaga sing tagi music ji khumala pakta loin mak centralized tawre harkana fan punamak thadaraga punamak ji accommodate tabu yabadi natte maduna masi block level da adagi akoi district level da compete tawna halaga magi jaga jaga asda loin mak number of maximum player involved to har kana madri thula gadi ahen mu koigane adana apai manipur ki system si player amana phara akanda award pirakanda ma honor to bibani adugi mahutta aikone pamjari na karai the players sing lay effort to ngamjadaba players sing che aikone yokhat pire har kana madri mafong sombira kana hain pokhat piragadi koi state si asset koigani.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
이란다마시기 한보이노 부톡자바 상하이 플라스틱 스토리지 땡 시즌나비
양신나바 볼람 야우드바 LLDP 이네사자바 상하이네 시즌나비 팡비기다바 사이즈ingdi 200, 300, 500, 750, 1000, 1500 amasung 2000 literni
chahi taragi guarantee ga loinana khenaba makhal khudingi apamba machusin phambigani.
Shija Piles Week February tang 22 kuntaret fauba free surgery OPD consultation for piles loinana 15 March faubagi manungda treatment tawiragadi 15% concession fangbigani.
मानो नुंतगी चारिब मरु मरांग याव चिंजाक सिंग सियंग मसिन हक्चांग की पांगल अमद लिवर सोहन बतना तना पुक नाबा एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबन चिंबा क्या नारक लिया
इमाना पिरक हक्चांग आखुकना हिदाक लैरिसिदी लिप्से नमानब सिंग नुंतिगी पार्टी सांगा चाद्रबदी सुक्या मग्याद्रबरा अदुमना खंगद्र माले मसिना पुक नाब थिनबगी अवाब थोहन बयाय
लिप्सम नुंतिगी चाबना एसिडिटी चाब तुमदबा खोंग हाबा यादब फली अदुगा चाकसु लामले
लिवर बु फरबदी पुंसिसु सुपर हिट ओइरी.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime News. The existence of the Manipuri pony is being threatened despite the efforts of the state government, pony lovers and many individuals to protect the animal. The situation is alarming when the Manipuris are very proud of the fact that the game of polo originated from their small state. However, the animal faces threats every day and we find pony lying dead on the middle of the road in Imphal. People from various walks of life have expressed grave concern over the dangers facing the rare animal.
Hujuju akoi sida choroga tale jaina thenajab dang handagi thenajab ne masi mari loina ba akoi kano loisang hai gadra ko masi miyoi akoi kano singna ju kitang miyang sangbiraga hai sa jang handi tale ji hujiti kalen joropani kalen ga yoropani mana mahang ju yang kanba matam si oi bani na ko masi marino authority hai de saje mathong mangam hai gadra fajana kano toro tasal laga khumjan mani khangde ma poloi ba hai gadra ko saje usmai athu matam da masi tahonjan ni.
The state government and departments concerned have made efforts to save the animal, like the development of sanctuary and farms at Hengang and Lamphilpat. But we are yet to see improvement in the situation and the pony faces danger everywhere. Due to the absence of grazing field, the animals come out in search of food in crowded places and get hit by speeding vehicles.
Mamang tada koi sum local newspaper da sum taja de Hengang da mati pony farm torga Manipugi go mena Manipur Hengang lor masigi huji tanga ba masigi sa hai tare ko koi idam da masigi ju akoi gi si chatak le ba ko polo hai ba masana asida satai sa sibu masi Manipur go mena Hengang asomda side ba sa sigi hazai century ma thambiraga masi yohakani akoi mamak ta taja ba di phangjagi adu huju lairiba sigi phibam jigi hujik lairiba sajigi kanosida di akoi sung ujabada di Manipur ko mena kitang masi hena miyeng je kupsan ba watpa sang ba watpa gi mongdo uje.
Here we are witnessing death of pony in a street corner unattended by anyone. It is very common, happens once every day. But one should know that it is a cruel sign of extinction of rare species of pony from the surface of earth and from the surface of Manipur. It is high time that the concerned department and the state government should take serious steps to prevent death of ponies and to safeguard the rare species of horse for the future generation. This is Bhakta Tarambam reporting for Impang News, Imphal.
As part of its movement against alcohol and narcotic substances, Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (CADA) held a discussion on the impact of drugs and alcohol on society and people's role in prohibition yesterday at Kobru Loya Lakpa Community Hall, Naran Konjin in Imphal West District. The discussion was jointly held by CADA Nongchup, Imphal Mera Paivi Apunbalup and Naran Konjin Sporting Club. CADA's Secretary General Dipanjit Ningthojam emphasized the threats by alcohol and drugs in the society and cautioned the people against the threats. He urged the people to participate in the prohibition movement to save the society. Classes will resume at DM College of Commerce from the 22nd of this month in view of the college sports meet, and students have been asked to attend the classes as usual. More than 700 people were treated at a medical camp organized by 12 Bihar at Government High School at Chobung Company. Doctor and medical staff of 12 Bihar Regiment along with healthcare professionals of Public Health Center, Mayang Imphal, treated the patients at the camp. Information booklets and tips of healthcare were also distributed during the camp. 20 Assam Rifles provided purified drinking water at St. Joseph's High School in Chandel district on the 19th of this month. School authority expressed their gratitude to the Assam Rifles for providing purified water to the school. Medical teams of the 26th Sector Assam Rifles and 2 Assam Rifles of 9th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South held pulse polio immunization camps as nodal hospitals of Headquarters, 26th Sector Assam Rifles, Palel and Headquarters, 2 Assam Rifles in Thoubal district today. At least 348 children up to 5 years were administered polio vaccine. National Immunization Day IPPI Program 2016 second round was held at Primary Health Center PHC Moray today. Uniform was also distributed to Ashas of Primary Health Center Moray on the day. National Immunization Day was also held at Moray Gate number 2 by 11 Assam Rifles medical staff. Several children up to 5 years were administered polio. Ministry of Donor Government of India organized a business summit Destination Northeast 2016 from February 12 to 14 at New Delhi's Pragati Maidan. Designer Chirom Indira from Thangmaiban Lairen Hanjabal Lekai attended the summit as resource person and spoke on growing value chain from handlooms to fabrics to garments. She gave presentation on Manipuri handloom at national and international level. A book entitled Chingu Sintha Anisuba, written by Soibam Gunindro Meitei, was released at Lamyan Basang Lane Palace Compound today. The book is published by Wanglembam Ningol Soibam Ongbi Manisang Leima. The function was attended by members of Literature Circle. Now news from the world of sports. Imphalis have won both the men's 100 and 400 meter race in the state level notice games organized under Rajiv Gandhi Khel Abhiyan scheme by Youth Affairs and Sports Department and became the overall winner. Imphal East, M. Alkane, K. Romesh Chandra and W. Yaifava won the first, second and third places respectively in men's 100 meter race today at Kumalampak Main Stadium. In men's 400 meter race, Imphal East and Konung Zhao and K.H. Shushi and Ella Thoba Bag gold, silver and bronze. Athletes from 9 districts of Manipur are competing in athletics, badminton, boxing, football, hockey, judo, table tennis and weightlifting. Chandel and Imphal West have defeated their rivals in men's hockey in the state-level notice games. Chandel defeated Imphal East 5-3 in a league match, and in another league match, Imphal West trounced Thoubal 4-0. In women's hockey, Imphal West and Thoubal were drawn 1-1. In men's high jump, Bishnupur's W. Rajkumar of Imphal East, J.S. Jim and Bishnupur's T.H. Roshan Beg the first, second and third place respectively. In women's, Imphal East, S. Inakunbi and N. Ichantumbi Beg gold and silver. In boxing, Imphal West women boxers K.H. Monica, H. Mahedevi, T.H. Yaisana have entered the final of their respective weight categories. Imphal East, K.H. Radhia, Joy Lakshmi, H. Sanathoy and T. Premi have reached the final. Before we end, a quick look at headlines once again. Life in Manipur hit by 12-hour general strike called by Maoist Communist Party Manipur against Sanjeet Rabina fake encounter case. BJP Manipur Pradesh criticizes annual budget 2016-17, terms it as anti-growth. People of Andro destroy poppy plants cultivated in 20 hectares in the Barwani Hills. And Manipuri pony continues to face serious threats despite government's efforts to save it.